In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove someone from 1Password. Once you're in your 1Password admin console, you will be able to find people on the left side. Click on that. Here you will find the person that you want to remove. You will also see if they're in active state. If you have a whole list of people, you can use a search at the top to search by email or by name and find those person. Now, once you find a person, you click the three dots to the left and you will have the option for action available on the right hand side. You simply click the drop down and here you'll be able to have delete or suspend of that person. And that's pretty much it, guys. You can also use reject if you want to reject the person as well. But if you simply want to remove them, I recommend that you click delete or suspend their account. And that's pretty much all that you have to do. As this is just one account and I'm the admin, then it doesn't give me that option. But you will see once you try, that's how it is done. And that's it, guys.